Hi, I'm Gretchen, and today I'm going to be discussing the process of meiosis and its impact upon genetic diversity. The function of meiosis is to produce gametes, which are sperm and egg cells. And the process of meiosis is split up into two portions, fittingly called meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. And much like mitosis, meiosis both 1 and 2 have prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. This diagram displays an imperative process that takes place in between prophase and metaphase in meiosis 1, known as crossing over. During this event, two of the same chromosome, one from the biological father and one from the biological mother, cross over. This ends up switching some genes around, which means that every gamete created will have a unique genome. The process of crossing over, which takes place in between prophase and metaphase of meiosis 1, is one of the major differences between mitosis and meiosis. And another major difference between these two processes is the end result. At the end of mitosis, you get two diploid cells. Now, diploid means that they have the normal amount of DNA. However, at the end of meiosis, there are 4 haploid cells, and haploid means that they have half the normal amount of DNA. It is imperative for a gamete to be haploid because when a sperm and egg cell combine, if each of them have only half of the genome when they combine to create a zygote, that zygote will have the full genome. However, if both the sperm and the egg cell individually have the genome, when they come together, that zygote will have twice the normal amount of DNA. So, in conclusion, if all goes well with both meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, the end result is 4 haploid, genetically unique gametes. If it were not for this process, then we would all end up being much more genetically similar than is helpful to the continuation of our species. And genetic diversity is so important because it allows us to adapt and survive in ways that would not take place if we were all extremely genetically similar. In fact, a lack of genetic diversity is what is leading to the extinction of some asexually reproducing organisms, such as bananas. Because the bananas we know today are genetically identical, if one disease can affect one banana, it can affect and eradicate the entirety of the population. Meiosis has a majorly positive impact upon genetic diversity, and that is why, thanks to meiosis, we all have a wide range of interesting and diverse traits.